Hope you are safe and fine. So, as announced in the previous class regarding the development of self-learning material of the topic of your choice to maximum of 300 words. I hope all have selected the topic and prepared and collected some contents for development. So, for today's presentation, I'll be telling how these contents can be put it in a book form. So, book form in the Moodle page. So, let me give a demo for how to go about it. Okay, your dashboard. So, this is the dashboard. Go to your subject, e-content development 2020-2021 practicals. You are enabled to log into the practicals as a teacher. So, this is the page where you can enter. Then straight go, click add an activity or resource. Okay, so it will, as I said in the previous session itself, there are many activities available on the Moodle and there are resource sections are also there. So activities are where in a teaching learning environment in a Moodle like a platform where we can give activities to the students or the learners. So in resources we can provide the content. So our scope for this presentation is just to create a resource for the content that you have developed or prepared for self-learning material. So what resource we are going to do is the book. So as each and every activity and resource, there in the right side there will be a description what is it about. So if you go for a book, the book module enables a teacher to create a multi-page resource in a book-like format with the chapters and sub-chapters, how you are preparing your content like sections and subsections. So the books can contain media files as well as text and are useful for displaying lengthy passages of information which can be broken down into various sections. So the book may be used to display reading material, especially to display the reading materials what we have developed for individual modules of study as a departmental handbook and showcase portfolio of a student book. So what resource we are going to take it here is the book. Just click add to it, so it will take you to the book section. So the name will be, you can give the name of self learning material, so that of your topic multimedia. So, okay, so description, this this book resource contains the multimedia definition, types and applications. So just give a description, just types and applications. Okay, just these are all the basic defaults. So how the chapter has to be, whether it has to be bullets in the bullets point or numbers, where you are creating chapters and subsections, no, whether it has to be in a bullet form or numbers are indented. So now I am giving numbers. Okay, common module settings. So whether it will, you have to hide this from students or so on course page. These are all the common features for any Moodle activity or resource that you are creating. Okay, these two things are important, name and description and the appearance. Just save and return to the course. So in your course, a book has been added. Just click that self-learning material. Now you can add your chapters. So the first chapter will be multimedia definition. Okay, just put the content. So here we are going to give the exact content of multimedia is defined sorry, I think yeah, just take it. Some multimedia is defined as the combination of, which is poor in typing, combination of audio, video, text, graphics and animation. So I given a brief definition here. So what are the materials that you have developed? You can put it over here. Okay, just go and save changes. So your content, see on the right side, as we have given, there are three options, no, numbers, bullets and indents. So I have chosen the numbers, so it is displaying in the numbers form. Just go multimedia types, multimedia types, multimedia types. So there are multimedia can be classified into two types, namely based the applications, based on the applications, namely interactive, multimedia, non-interactive, multimedia. So these two things are the types. Some virus issue. So non-interactive multimedia. Just don't give the. So it appears here as the second. Number 2 is multimedia types. Just add the next chapter, new chapter title. So multimedia applications. Just put it here, save changes. Okay, so it will appear here as the multimedia definition, multimedia types and multimedia application. If you see, it looks like a reading material. Okay, see, number 1, the right side will be the table of contents, what are the things that you're creating. See, in the middle page of the Moodle course page, it shows you how this multimedia definition, the next chapter multimedia types, and the third one multimedia application. So here what you want to do, I want you to do is the contents that you have created, that you have prepared for the topic that you have chosen now, just convert this, copy and paste it here in this book format as a resource for multimedia, as a e-content text here. Okay, later we will do the same text into the video conversion and the other elements in the later sessions and later classes. Hope it is clear. If you have any queries, post it over here. I can then there to clarify it. Okay, see here that ECD page, this is our course page. So here I have created, I click add an activity, just I am doing a quick recap. In the resources I have selected book and I have added. So the book add, they add the book that the resource that I add as book. So it looks like here. See, multimedia definition, multimedia types and multimedia application. Just put your content in this format. Okay, thank you.